Probably could have camped anywhere in here. All the Joshua trees. Pretty cool. They've got all the roads torn up at Kramer Junction. They're building a new freeway, bypass, I guess. But 58 and, well, every road going in there is just nothing but potholes right now. So I drove on about 15 miles of potholes. Now I'm finally on the newer part of 58. And it's not as bad. It's actually pretty good. It's concrete. But boy, going through Kramer Junction, if you're going through there, this is the end of May 2019. Be careful, because it'll tear you up a little bit. Next stop is Barstow. 15 miles. Alright, I'm on I-40, heading east. Next stop, Needles, the Colorado River. To 72 degrees. It was 50 degrees when I woke up at Alabama Hills this morning. I'm in Needles at 72 right now. Quite the change. Thunderstorms on the horizon. Going over to Colorado. There she is. Arizona. Look at those peaks. That's pretty cool. That's Needle Mountain right there. Been driving for a few hundred miles today. I need to stop and turn the fridge back on. This morning before I left, I turned everything off, just thinking that it would stay insulated most of the day, but it's 77 degrees here in Arizona, western Arizona, so I need to turn that fridge back on. I don't want my food to spoil, so I'm going to pull off here. There's a rest area in about 10 miles. I'm going to pull off and get that thing turned back on. Well, it looks like that rest area is closed. I saw a sign for it, so push on to Kingman. Rest area closed. That's alright. Oh, and here we have the Route 66 UFO Museum. Look at that. Look at Area 66. All the Ocotillo plants are in bloom. There's flowers all over them. Beautiful red flowers. Kingman. Welcome to Kingman, heart of Route 66. Williams, Arizona, the gateway to the Grand Canyon. Of course, that's going to be out of focus. Snowing here in Williams.
Arriving at destination.
We've got an RV park tonight. I'm in Williams, Arizona, and it's snowing. I was going to camp up on the way to Grand Canyon on Garland Prairie and Boondock, but it's going to be cold. It's already 36 degrees. I figured I'd get an RV park, run the heater, have a nice hot meal, sleep good, and just get a fresh start in the morning. So I'll catch you guys when I'm back on the road. Later.